Assalamu alaikum student, how are you? I am your computer teacher for class 8. Now we have shared some instruction. Don't raise hand during the teaching. Ask question at the end of the teaching in a chat box. Use hand free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer use. Feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. Take care of time for attending the class. Home tasks should be done in your fair copy of the subject. If there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to join again with 5 to 10 minutes. Don't turn on your video during the teaching. Okay, now we have start the new chapter, unit number 3. Input output devices. Input and output devices. Now, what is input device? Input devices are used to enter data into the computer. Devices are necessary to convert data into a form which can be under by computer. Input devices are physical equipment which are used to read or translate data consisting of alphabets, numbers, or other symbols into electronic impulses be understood by the computer. The purpose of input devices is to pass information to the memory unit of the CPU. CPU abbreviation of Central Processing Unit, and they convert the character, letters, numbers, and other symbols. Input binary pattern which can be held inside the computer memory. Now, example of the input devices are keyboard, mouse, trackball, scanner, joystick, light pen, microphone, digital camera. Now, first one is a keyboard. What is a keyboard? To input data in the form of words and numbers, the most widely used device today is the keyboard. Letter and numbers. Keys are arranged like those one of the typewriter, but there are also some extra keys and particular key combination that help us give an instruction to the computer. Keyboard is a use much like a typewriter and has all of the expected alphabets A to Z, numeric 0 to 9, and special character. Keyboard is a primary text input device. Parts of a keyboard. There are different parts of a keyboard. First, all the keys are arranged into the following divisions. Number one is alphanumeric keypad. It is a part of the keyboard that look like a typewriter. The arrangement of the keys for the part is similar to the pattern of the typewriter. Number two is numeric keypad. It is usually placed on the right hand side of the keyboard that look like a simple calculator. It includes the following keys: numeric keys from 0 to 9 digits, the four basic operations plus, minus, multiply, and division. Number keys from 0 to 9 digits, the four basic operations plus, minus, multiply, and division. Nums lock keys that work similar to the caps locks. Number three is function keys. These keys are usually arranged on the top of the keyboard in a row with the numbers marks on them from 1 to 12, F1 to F12. All of these keys have predefined instructions which are different from of different software. Number four is cursor movement key. Cursor movement keys. A blinking mark on the computer screen is called cursor, where the key you press will display a particular character, digits, special characters. Cursor movement keys we have divided into following categories. Arrow keys. Number one is arrow keys. These are four arranged keys: left arrow keys, right arrow keys, up arrow keys, down arrow keys. These are used for the move the cursor and place left, right, up, and down. Number two is home key, home and keys. Home keys move the cursor to the beginning of that line on which the cursor is present, and key move the cursor to the end of the line. Page up and page down. These keys are used to make the cursor jump page by page. Page up key is used to move cursor to the previous page screen, and page down move the cursor to the next page. Next is the modifier keys. Shift, Control, and Alter. Shift, Control, and Alter are the modifier keys. These keys are used to modify the input of the other keys. Another key is press while holding down of the modifier keys. Modifier keys we have divided into different keys like delete key. First one is the delete key. This key is also used delete a character. Number two is insert key. As the name implies, these keys insert some new text between the text already typed in the when this key is activate. Next is the escape key. The function of this key varies from program to program. Next is the print screen key. This key allows user to capture whatever is shown on the screen as an image. The images these can be printed, pasted, or manipulated in different ways. Next is a mouse. What is mouse? Mouse is also an input device. It is a short body and long tail like a real mouse. It has two buttons on the top and the small button at the bottom. The left button works like the enter key. The right button, when pressed, tells the computer to stop the action and quit or undo the work, depending on the software. On desktop, right button opens the list of the options. When you move the mouse on a flat surface, the cursor in the shape of the arrow-like line or picture start moving around the screen. By imaging the cursor, you can reach and desert option quickly and action in forward pointing. After reading the desert option, press the left button to the enter and command into the computer. This action is called clicking. Next is a trackball. What is a trackball? A trackball is similar to the mouse, but you do not have to roll the trackball over a flat surface. Mouse requires a later space on the disk to move properly. Many situations it becomes more difficulties to provide space. Therefore, a trackball can use instant of the mouse. A trackball is used by the ruling the ball which you palm on the figure into the direction you want to the pointer to go. A trackball is a pointing device consisting of a ball held by a socket containing sensor to the detect or the rotation of the ball two axis like an upside down mouse with a exposed producing pages. Next is a scanner. What is a scanner? A scanner is used to convert what on a paper to computer format. It is much like a photocopier. Only different is stand of the producing a copy as output. It store a copy of the page into computer memory. The scanner can be handheld, so you can move the scanner over the printed pages. A scanner is an input device that reads images or text and convert the data into the digital signals. A scanner can also be beginner. You could put your printed page into the scanner. It looks like a small copy machine. There are following types of scanner. Number one is handheld scanner. Number two is flatbed scanner. Number three is sheet feed scanner. Number one is handheld scanner. Number two is flatbed scanner. Number three is sheet feed scanner. Number one is a handheld scanner. A scanner that is held in the hand and the pass across the images to the scan is termed as the handheld scanner. It is a very small in size. Handheld scanners are less expensive but require a steady hand to get a clear images. A scanner is that is a move by hand over the material being captured. Number two is flatbed scanner. This type of scanner has a flat pieces of the glass. Flatbed scanners are identifiable by their similarity in design to the photocopier machine. A flatbed scanner also works better than a sheet feed scanner when the documents have cut and paste layout that image fall off. Number third is sheet feed scanner. A scanner that feeds each sheet of paper across a non-moving scan head. This is different form of the flatbed scanner in which the paper is laid on the screen on the glass and the scan head moves. Next, next is a joystick. What is a joystick? Joystick is another input device. It is used for playing video games. It consists of the round shape base and the long stick which can be titled in left, right, forward or backward direction. It also has a button on the top and the trigger. By moving the stick, the game object can be controlled by pressing the top button or trigger object can be moved to fire or jump. Joysticks are used mostly for the computer or video games. Joystick is a handheld stick which is used as a pointing device. Joystick is a handheld stick which is use a pointing device. Mostly is used for the computer or video game. Next is a light pen. Light pen is a pointing input device that contains a photo detector or light sources. Next is a microphone. It is also an input device. Microphones are becoming increasingly important input devices to record a voice speech. Next one is a digital camera. Digital camera is also input device. Digital camera, a handheld portable input device that take picture as a input. Take picture as a input. Next is a output devices. What is output devices? Output devices are used to get the result or information from the computer. The output devices are also physical equipment which translate outcome of the computation and the related activity carried out in the CPU. CPU abbreviation of Central Processing Unit, so that these can be translated by the human. Output devices may adopt different shapes and the style. The output devices may be in the form of types printed and visible. The purpose of the output devices is to convert data or information expressed in the electronic impulses to human understandable form such as printed reports. Output devices are used to get the result or information from the computer. Output devices are physical equipment which translates the outcome of the computation and the relation activity carried out in the CPU. CPU abbreviation of Central Processing Unit. Next one is there are following types of output devices. Number one is monitors. Number two is printers. Number three is plotters. First one is monitor. Monitor is an output device and a very important part of the computer system. It looks like a TV screen. It shows the output which it gets from the CPU. The output on the monitor is called soft copy. It is also soft copy because it is temporary copy. Because it is a temporary copy. It is a device that displays text, graphics generated by a computer. It is a device that displays text, graphics generated by a computer. Basic types of monitor, there are two types of monitor, CRT monitor, LCD. CRT monitor and LCD monitor. First one is CRT. CRT abbreviation of cathode ray tube, and LCD abbreviation of liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display. CRT cathode ray tube is a vacuum tube that contains that contain one or more electronic guns. CRT monitor, which is similar to the television screen and also work into the same way. It is use a large vacuum tube called cathode ray tube. CRT, cathode ray tube. CRT is the technology used in the most older televisions and computer display screen. CRT work by the moving an electron. CRT, a CRT work by moving an electron. Second one is LCD. What is LCD? Liquid crystal display. Abbreviation of LCD, liquid crystal display. A flat panel screen that use the liquid crystal display LCD technology and connected to the computer. Laptop have a used to LCD screen, almost exclusive display screen monitor is this desktop computer. Flat panel display LCD, which is usually used with portable computer, but now have become very popular with the desktop computer too. Next heading is types of monitor based on a color. There are three types of monitor may be classified based on the three color capability into the three classes. Monitor classification based on the color. Monochrome monitors. Number one is monochrome monitor. Number two is grayscale monitor. Number three is color monitor. Number one is monochrome monitors. Number two is grayscale monitor. Number three is color monitor. First, okay. Now we start the first one is monochrome. A monochrome monitor is a type of the CRT computer monitor which was very common in the early day of the computing from the 1960s. So become popular, monochrome monitor actually display two colors, one for the background and one for the foreground. The color can be black and white, green and black. Number two is grayscale monitor. Number two is grayscale monitor. Grayscale is a group of shades with any visible color on a monitor. Each pixel of the grayscale display carries and the amount of the light rounding from the weakest amount of the light or the white. Grayscale only contain brightness information, not color. A grayscale monitor is a special types of monochrome monitor capable of the displaying different shade of the group shade of the gray. Third one is color monitor. What is a color monitor? A display monitor capable of the displaying many colors in contrast, and the monochrome monitor can be display only two colors, one for the background and one for the foreground color. Color monitor implement the RGB colors. RGB abbreviation of red, green, blue. RGB abbreviation of red, green, blue colors. Colors monitor is a it can be displayed anywhere from the 16 to over 1 million different colors. Monitors are sometimes called RGB monitors because they accept three separate signals: red, green, and blue. Next one is a printer. What is a printer? Printer is a main device used for the preparing permanent document to be used at a later time. It's connected to CPU by cable and are the plug into the something called the output port. Printer is also a output device and it is used to print data or information on paper. The output of a printer is called hard copy. It is called hard copy because it is a permanent copy. Because it is a permanent copy. Printer is a device that accepts text and graphics from a computer and transfer the information to the computer to the paper. Printer is an output device that transfers the information to paper called hard copy. There are two types of printer: impact printer and non-impact printer. Impact printer, daisy wheel, print wheel, dot matrix, line printer. Daisy wheel, dot matrix, and line printer. Non-impact printer is inkjet printer, laser printer, LCD liquid crystal display, LED, thermal printer. What is the difference between impact? Acha, now, what is the difference between impact printer and non-impact printer? Impact printer and non-impact printer. The print by sticking the ribbon against the paper, that is called impact printer. They print sticking the ribbon against the paper, that is called impact printer. The paper using magnetic, electrostatic, thermal, optical inkjet. They may produce carbon copies, that is called impact printer. They cannot produce carbon copies, that is called non-impact printer. They produce much and are called noisy printer, that is called impact printer. They are noiseless techniques and are called fight print. Plotter. Plotter is a special kind of output devices. Plotter is a special kind of output devices that print graphics on a paper, which include drawing, graphics, making map, plotting, engineering, drawing, and the machine components. There are types of plotter. There are following types of plotters. Number one is pen plotter, electrostatic plotter. Pen plotter are further divided into two types. Pen plotter further divided into two types. Number one is drum plotters. Number two is flatbed plotter. There are following types of plotter. First one is pen plotter. Number two is electrostatic plotter. Pen plotter is further divided into two types. Number one is drum plotter and flatbed plotters. Flatbed plotters. Next heading is dual purpose devices. First one is a disk drive and number two is a CD writer. Disk drive is a peripheral device that feed or write the disk, hard disk, floppy disk that store information. Disk drive are called storage devices because they store information or portable or the permanent disk. CD writer. CD abbreviation of compact disc. CD abbreviation of compact disc. A CD writer is a device connected to your computer which can write on CD, RW and the CD-R disk. CD-R disk may be written, erased and the written while CD-R disk may be written only once. CD written in performance is the measure in a X unit. Next heading is concept of soft copy and hard copy. What is the difference between soft copy and hard copy. First one is soft copy. A computer output display on a monitor is called soft copy. A computer output display on a monitor is called soft copy. Hard copy, a computer output taken on the paper is called hard copy. A computer output taken on the paper is called hard copy. Soft copy is a untangible and the temporary. Soft copy is a untangible and temporary. Hard copy is a tangible and permanent. Hard copy is a tangible and permanent device used for getting soft copy is a monitor. Device used for getting soft copy is monitor. Devices used for getting hard copy or are printer and plotter. Hard copy are printer and plotter. Okay, now we have shared the home tasks. First one is a constructed responses question CRQs. Uh, Constructed responses question CRQs. First one is define input devices. Write it types. Name any five. Differentiate between mouse and trackball. Differentiate between mouse and trackball. Number three question is define output devices. Write it types. Name any five. Question number four, differentiate between impact printer and non-impact printer. Number five is differentiate between hard copy and soft copy. Differentiate between hard copy and soft copy. Extended responses question ERQs. ERQs abbreviation of extended responses question. Question number one, describe keyboard with its divisions. Describe keyboard with its divisions. Number two question is what is scanner? How many types of scanner? Explain it. Question number two, what is scanner? How many types of scanner? Explain it. Question number three, define monitor. Describe its types. Define monitor. Describe its types. Question number four, what are the plotter? Describe different types of plotters. Question number four, what are the plotter? Describe different types of plotters. Question number five, briefly explain dual purpose devices. Briefly explain dual purpose devices. Thank you, student, and Allah Hafiz.